So I'm not gonna lie, I fucked up pretty bad. Oversteered into a turn. Honestly, looking at the damage right now, from what I could see, everything seems to just be paint, which I'm not too worried about. I knew I wasn't feeling it. I knew I felt off. And there you go. There's the dangers of pushing your shit too hard. I got pretty lucky, you know. The turn that I spun out at, like, I skidded way before, like, I went, because it's like a bank either side. So I feel like I got pretty, I know I got pretty lucky. I should probably show you guys. I know I got pretty lucky with this, to be honest. I just took it to the car wash right now. Like, it literally just happened, like, probably 10-20 minutes ago. Yeah, the front end, I saw the front end. It's pretty scarred up. It looks like it's just dirt. I'm honestly not too worried about the front bumper. But yeah, I was being a fucking idiot. Going way harder than I should have, even though I felt like I knew I shouldn't have even gone. And here we are. Obviously, I said I'm pretty lucky. As far as body damage goes, I don't really see any. The paint's fucked, but this car is gonna get repainted completely eventually. But yeah, just a warning. I mean, really, this is why, like, I'm making this right now. That's why I'm filming it. This is really just a warning for people who do this. Bad shit can happen. My engine isn't overheating or anything, so I don't think we damaged, like, our radiator or anything. We could have potentially damaged our suspension, but it felt pretty alright. There might be some damages that I just can't see right now. Potentially. I don't see any leaks or anything, which is good. But yeah, we probably won't be doing anything at all for a couple of weeks or months. Like, we're not gonna do any stupid shit. Just to I don't know. It just feels right to me to take a break from driving, like, aggressively for a while. At the times that I do this, there's no people on the road, and it's not really anywhere near houses. Like, there's no houses, like, on top of the road or anything. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated, see if anything happens. Like I said, I'm gonna clean the car right now just to see how it's gonna look. I'm not too shooken up, but I do feel pretty bad. Alright, so here it is washed off. Obviously, I know it's still wet, so you're not really gonna be able to truly see the damage, but anything that you can see is probably super fucked up. Stuff like this. I'm sure a lot of this stuff can be polished out. Sure it can. But I think I will end up repainting this car in the future. I don't know when, but I definitely will. And I think I will just keep it OEM. Just because this car to me is just, it's supposed to be pretty discreet, and I think how it is right now is pretty discreet, so we're just gonna paint it the same color. But yeah, I don't have any towels to dry it off. This is fully in there. But yeah, the important thing is the car's somewhat good. I'm perfectly fine. But yeah, really just as a warning. to everyone that drives their shit aggressively. This bumper's, yeah, that bumper's fucked too. Just this lower piece, but like I said, bumper and the paint. I definitely won't push it as hard anymore. Yeah, there's just no point. So now I'm gonna head home now. And yeah, I'm not feeling too good about it, but what can you do? What's done is done.